Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? So check it out. We're approaching a truck that I've had. Just changed it up a little bit with a brand new set of wheels and tires. Scope it out. Here's the 2010 DURAMAX LTZ. Lifted with a Skyjacker lift kit. And there was 20 by 10 chrome wheels on here. We switched them up. These are a 22 by 12 Ballistic wheels with machined edges and rivets and all that jazz, wrapped around a Radar Renegade R7 mud terrain. And these are a 35 1250 22-inch Radar Renegade R7 mud terrain. Super grippy, blocky tire, just the way I like it. It's a nice square tire, matches up absolutely perfect, probably like an inch dick hair more than the actual rim, which is awesome. Full turn left, full turn right. Did do a little bit of trimming prior to that, actually. The guy did it, whoever went before me, right there. And a small bit out of the plastic valance right there. Other than that, it literally turns full turn right and left, no problem at all, full clearance. This truck has a set of amp electric step rails on it, B&W fifth wheel. Super nice truck, backup camera, full exhaust, full 4-inch. Show you guys what's up. Mirrors incorporated into the, or lights incorporated in the mirrors. Amp electrics, WeatherTechs, gray interior. EFI Live 5-position switch right there. Got your boost gauge, power meter gauge, dual climate, pedal adjustment, you name it. There was some switches there at one point. I don't know what happened to them, where they're at, or what they're doing now, but they're not there. Mileage, 137, 124. And this truck sounds absolutely beast, as you see in the beginning of the video. Heated seats, memory seats, wood grain. Let's pop it under the hood and see what's up. Here's the VIN number. Awesome truck. I love driving a DURAMAX just because they're just a beast of a truck. Look at all the snow right there melting down into the ground right here. Ruined my pictures. Absolutely ruins my pictures. But hey, you can drink snow because it tastes good, because I'm thirsty as hell right now. Back seat's great. So here we go. New axles front to rear, as you can see in the beginning of it right here. For new axles on this side. There's a Skyjacker right there. New axles on that side. And new axles right there. So everything is absolutely perfect. It's good. And we'll pop the hood and show you guys what's going on. Sorry, guy had a question. Ruined my video, buddy. It's all good, I still love you. I was trying to coordinate with that guy and then you guys over here. But anyways, yeah, back to what I was saying. New axles until the guy interrupted me. Nicely interrupted me. New axles on both sides, passenger and driver. A little dusty underneath, but nothing compromising. No, like, there's surface rust, yeah, but nothing like bad. Axles right there. So yeah, let me show you. Fluids are great. K&N cold air intake system. Yeah, it's a great truck. It really is. Runs and drives phenomenal. Let's start it up. Bose sound system too. We're gonna end this video kind of short because we're being like bombarded. Every time I do a video here, there's a dump right here, okay? Every time I do a damn video, I either get a honk or a beep beep or Mark, what's up? And I'm just like, shit, I gotta end the video. I don't put it in the video, you guys don't see it. I end the video and start fresh again. Sometimes I'm on a 4-minute damn video and beep beep, Joe Schmo drives by and toots his damn horn. I should have bricked because I'm at 5 minutes of the stupid video. Start it up, see what you guys think. All right, here we go. Truck sounds absolutely beast. So, hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out. See you later. If you have any questions, you can check it out on the website, superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale, SALE.org. See you later. Peace out.